friends, this is part 6. The conversation between King Yadu and Avadhut Brahmina. To see the part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, please refer to the link in the description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his 21st guru, the arrow maker. Brahmina's 21st guru was arrow maker. Once there was a king passing in great pomp and circumstance in the street just outside the workshop of an arrow maker. But that arrow maker was so absorbed in his work of sharpening arrows that he did not even notice the passing of a king. Similarly, a yogi becomes so absorbed in the self that he does not care for inner or outer events. So, lesson here is one should be so absorbed in a spiritual practice that he won't get distracted by any distracting elements or events. Brahmana starts speaking about his 22nd guru, the snake. Brahmana's 22nd guru was snake. From the example of the snake, the Avadhuta said as snakes stay secluded, he learned that a renunciate should live alone, without any fixed home, with invisible movements, without depending on anyone, and speaking little. Brahmana starts speaking about his 23rd guru, the spider. Brahmana's 23rd guru was spider. The spider emits its thread from its own body, creating a complex web. And when its work is finished, draws the thread back into itself. Similarly, the Supreme Lord creates the universe out of himself, and when the work of creation has been completed, draws it back into himself. This teaching is also found in the Upanishads. Brahmana starts speaking about his 24th guru, the Wasp. Brahmana's 24th guru was Wasp. Brahmana said, O king, once a wasp forced a weaker insect to enter his hive and kept him trapped there. Due to extreme fear, the smaller insect constantly meditated upon his captor wasp and was absorbed in the characteristics and activities of the large wasp at the time of his death. Due to such constant meditation, he actually took the body of a wasp in his next life. So, I learned from Wasp that if we constantly meditate on spiritual subject matters and absorb our consciousness in Lord Krishna, we can also become liberated and gain spiritual body. So today we learnt about another 4 gurus of Avadhut Brahmina with its teachings. After acquiring great wisdom from these 24 gurus, Avadhut Brahmina further explains to King Yadu what he learned from his own body. We shall see that in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.